Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create an appointment using your iCalendar. So what you're going to do is go into your little desktop thingy right here and you're going to click on your calendar, and from here your calendar will pop up showing like day, week, month, or year. So since I'm already on day, let's see, I can show you how to start up a new event or put an appointment. Say for example, like me, I have class tomorrow, so what I want to do is click on that new event, and I can say I will be in class until and set a time to where I can get up and show as an alert. And from here you can set like, do you want the event to repeat or show as busy, calendar home, message with sound, BASO, 15 minutes before, the alert. You could add invites or attachments, and from there, once you've created that, you can click done, and there it is, it's set. From here, I'm going to show you how to create and delete an account to your MacBook Pro. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into System Preferences, click on that, go down to System, Users, and Groups, click on that, and from here, this is signed in under as me. So if you want to add that, you would type in, and then from here, you can click on that to add a new account, and you can say standard account, manage with parental controls, sharing only, or group. And from here you could say just a standard account will do. And for example, I'm going to use my brother's name. Then you would type in the password and verify recommended hint, and then click create user. And from there you can also delete it, and pretty much there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file, or start a PDF file. So from here, say you have a script that you were working on in Final Draft. So you can open up Final Draft from here. And say for example, you've already had something that you were working on, like for example, something of mine. From here you could save or go under the save as like PDF. Then once you get done like working on like your script or video game script, movie script, any type of script that you're working on, from there you can click that, get out of this, and go to your Adobe Reader. And from there, once you click on that, you should be able to go to open recent file, and from here just click that and then open up that, and it will pop up as a PDF file or a PDF format, so that way if you need to make corrections or your teacher needs to make corrections on anything, you can be able to do it as such. This example right here is showing you how to take a section of what you want to screenshot, and from there you can like set it before you record, set it as such to where, like, if you want to record like a little snippet of whatever you're like watching or trying to send as a tutorial video, you pretty much just use the cropping tool, and from there you can select the like space or amount of whatever that you want to like record, and then from there just start recording, and you should be able to do as such. Now I'm going to show you how to create your own workflow. So from here, what you're going to do is you can go to this little or magnifying glass, click on it as such, and type in the A for automator. So, and you'll have different type of templates that'll pop up. So you want to click on the workflow template, and from there you can select any type of files that you were working on, like for example, let's see, or just documents in general. So you can put in like a Word document, drop that in. Let's see what else. Your PDFs, you can drop in creating new PDF files, and just pretty much anything that you can think of, you could be able to do and set up your own unique workflow. Now I'm going to show you how to create a burn folder without using like a CD or a DVD ROM or anything like that. So what you want to do is go up to File, click on New Burn Folder, and your new burn folder will pop up. And from here, you could pretty much put anything that you can think of that you want within this burn folder. Like for example, I can pull up my iTunes account or whatever, and from here you can add any type of music that you want on there without so yeah, it's like yeah, you can add pretty much any music that you want onto the burn folder, so that way once you get your CD or DVD ROM, you can be able to put music onto the burn folder and it'll burn without the CD, or once you get the CD, you can be able to slide it in and just burn it from there. Now I'm going to show you how to create a QuickTime recording, just the voice and not the actual video or the screenshot. So what you want to do is click on the QuickTime player, go to the audio recording, click on that, and there should be a little audio recording screen or box that clicks up. So you can adjust the volume settings or whatever, and then from there you can push this little red button and it'll record. Now is I'm going to show you to how to share your public folders within like a group setting and or wherever. So you want to go to System Preferences, go click on Sharing, the actual sharing folder in the Internet and Wireless area. Click that, and from there you can do File Sharing. So this is what you want, it's right here, it's File Sharing. And from there you can click onto Desktop and say you want to add like Full Sail classes or this folder. You can click Add, and pretty much it'll pop up with the user staff, and everyone. For the staff and everyone, it will only show as read only, but you can also say write only or read and write, so you can select either one that hasn't already been selected. And if you just want people to read and do nothing else, then suggest doing that. And if you don't want that anymore, you can pretty much just click the subtract arrow and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to not share this folder? Then you can click OK and go from there and lock back your changes and be done with it. Of the tutorial video. So from here, what you're going to do is, also by the way, is Wi-Fi managing. So pretty much, again, you want to go to system preferences. Now, how to find your Wi-Fi, you want to go to your network, which is right here. So once you click that, it'll pop up and the status will say, like, if you have Wi-Fi, it'll say you're connected and whatever network name that you have. From there, you can go to your advanced searches, which is those, and then you can pretty much see like what networks you've like clicked on or been using or whatever, and it'll show you like when have you or how long you've used it or when you've used it. And you can create a computer-to-computer networks, change networks, turn on or off Wi-Fi, and it also show you other various things like the TCP and hardwares and whatnot. And from there, you can get out of it and lock your settings back up and exit from there. To show you how to add and delete a bookmark. So what you want to do is pull up like your internet thing, and from here you can add this book or bookmark this page. So pretty much we're gonna add this, and you can tag it as, you know, schoolwork or just in general. And then once that's done, click it and it's saved as a bookmark. Now, if you want to delete like bookmarks that you don't want or have already used and you're like you don't want them anymore, pretty much you can select it and then from there just hit delete and it will delete it. Or you can also go to you can pretty much go onto your bookmark section, click onto the bookmark that you set, and then if you don't want it as a bookmark anymore, you can always just say remove this bookmark and click it and it's removed.